kg homogeneous block smooth surface rests at an angle of 30 degree and bears against the smooth vertical wall. Okay, the wall is smooth, which is B. Okay, and calculate the contact forces at the A and B. Now it is simple over here. First of all, let us mark out the forces. For this ball, there will be mg which will act downwards. Okay, there will be a normal force. Let me call this as Na, which will act in this direction, and there will be NB which acts in this direction. So if I draw the forces over here separately, so the forces will look somewhat like this: mg in the downward direction, NB in the left hand side direction, okay, and Na in this direction. Its angle with the vertical will be equal to 0 degree. It will be equal to 30 degree. So this angle is equal to 30 degree. Okay. So once I plot all the forces, the sum becomes relatively very easy. Now over here, if you see the diagram properly, it is given that if you see, the ball is at rest. Okay, the ball is at rest. It means that the total upward force is equal to total downward force, and total force on the left will be equal to total force on the right hand side. So basically, if I have to plot the vertical forces, first of all the vertical forces, this will be equal to Na cos 30 and this will be Na sin 30. Now I have resolved the forces in the horizontal direction. Now I can take the upward force and downward force. So Na cos 30, let me take the upward force first, is equal to mg. Okay, Na cos 30 is equal to mg. So over here, Na into cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2 is equal to mg. M is given as 50 and G we will take it as 10. So 50 into 10 will be equal to 500. So if you see, Na will be equal to 1000 divided by root 3. Okay, 1000 divided by root 3. Okay, so basically the option number C is eliminated. Okay, let us calculate the value of NB. Okay, let us calculate the value of NB. If you see, there is only one force which balances the NB. Okay, that is Na sin theta. So Na sin theta is equal to NB. Now over here we have already got the value of Na, which is equal to 1000 by 3, 1000 by root 3. Sin theta, that is sin 30, is equal to half, is equal to NB. So if I calculate the value over here, NB will be equal to 1000 divided by 2, which is equal to 500 root 3. This will be the answer. So NB is equal to 500 into root 3. Okay, so if you see, NB will be equal to divided by root 3. So 500 divided by root 3, which is option number B. Okay, that is Na is equal to 1000 by root 3 and NB is equal to 1000 by root 3 and NB is equal to 500 by root 3, which is option number B.